Now a question number 12. I bought 80 kg of salt for rupee 880 and was obliged to sell it at a loss of as much money as I received for 20 kg. At what price did I sell the salt? Okay, so in this question there is a loss. So total loss is equal to total cost minus total sale. And the total loss is equal to the money you received for 20 kg. So suppose 1 kg, let 1 kg selling price is equal to S rupees and 1 kg cost price is equal to C rupees. So total loss is equal to 20 kg selling price means 20S and the total cost of 80 kg salt is 80 into C minus sale of 80 kg is 80 into S. And here the total cost of 80 kg salt is given 880 rupees. So put here 880. This minus 80s plus this is 20 plus 80, 100s. So this S is equal to 88 by 10 means 8.80 per kg. This is your answer. Now see next. Here, some important points just as the information I am sharing here. If 15% profit on the cost price is what percent profit on the selling price? 15% profit on the cost price is what percent profit on the selling price? So very simple. If the cost is 100 and 15% profit, so if CP is 100, then profit is 50. Profit is 15. It means selling price is equal to 115 rupees. So what percent profit on the selling price? So answer is 15 upon 115 into 100. इस तरह के छोटे छोटे कैलकुलेशंस का ध्यान रखें. Next, 25% profit on the selling price. Suppose selling price is 100 and profit is 25 rupees on selling price. Profit is 25. Now question is 25% profit on the selling price is what percent profit on the cost price? 100 is selling price, 25 is a profit. So obviously cost price होगा 100 minus 25 means 75. So now what percent profit on the cost price? Profit कितने का था? 25. On the cost price 75 to 25 upon 75 into 100. Okay. Here 12% loss on the selling price is what percent loss on the cost price? On the selling price. So take selling price is equal to 100. 12% loss. So loss is equal to 12 rupees. What percent on the cost price? So cost price will be 100 selling price. There is a loss of 12 rupees. So the cost is going to be 100 plus 12 means 112. So now, what percent loss on the cost price? So loss percent 12 upon cost price 112 into 100. This is your answer. Okay. So ये छोटे छोटे कैलकुलेशंस की बातें हैं, इनको ध्यान रखें, काम आएंगे. Now see next question. A man purchased 20 pencils for rupee 450 and sold them, gaining the selling price of 5 pencils. At what price did he sell per dozen? At what price did he sell per dozen? So man purchased 20 pencils for rupee 450 and sold them, gaining selling price of 5 pencils. So here gain हो रहा है, correct? So total gain is equal to total sale minus total cost. Total gain is equal to the selling price of 5 pencils. So suppose one pencil selling price is S. So it is 5S. Total sale minus total cost. So look here, a man purchased 20 pencil for rupee 450. So total cost is going to be 4 rupee 50 paisa. 20 pencil, one pencil selling price you take S, so it is 20S. Is it okay? So 20 minus 5S is 15S is equal to 4 rupee 50 paisa. So one pencil selling price is equal to 30 paisa. So here per dozen selling price is going to be 12 into 0.30, 3 rupee 60 paisa. Got it? See, this is a very simple approach, but you can do it by logical thinking that 20 pencils, 4 rupee 50 paisa. 20 pencils cost is 4 rupee 50 paisa. And you are gaining the selling price of 5 pencils. So it means 15 pencil selling price is equal to 4 rupee 50 paisa. 15 pencil selling price is equal to 4 rupee 50 paisa. So direct you can calculate 15 pencil selling price is 4 rupee 50 paisa. So one pencil selling price is 30 paisa, 12, 3 rupee 60 paisa. Okay. So as you work upon concept, the conceptual clarity will help you to do these tiny calculations, right? You are never supposed to do each and everything to write and calculate. Okay. Your exam nature is little bit different. So this is not at par the difficulty level of your CAT question. What is it? These questions are here just to give you a friendly connection with the conceptual clarity, right? And gradually, I'm going to increase the difficulty level in other video lectures. Right now, the objective is only to give the clear idea of your conceptual clarity related to the topic. Now, see the next. If oranges are bought at 15 for a rupee, how many for a rupee be sold to gain 25%? So look here, 15 for 1 rupee. How many for a rupee you must sold to gain 25%? Okay. So here 15 oranges in 1 rupee is actually equal to 100%. 100%. Fine. And you want to make 25% profit. So how many suppose X for 1 is equal to 125%. Is it okay? 15 in a 1 rupee is 100%. So what is in 1 rupee is equal to 125%? Obvious. Suppose I take X. So what is it? 15 is 100. So X क्या होगा? 15 into 100 is equal to X into 125. 25 4 ja, 5 ja, 5 3 ja, X is equal to 12. You got it? Means actually this 15 is a 125% in rupees 1. If you want to make profit of 25%. So if 15 is 125%, then what is 100%? This is 5 ja, 4 ja, 3 ja is 12. You can calculate it directly. But this approach is also very helpful. Like you can say it's a formula sort of approach. 15 for rupee 1, it is 100% equal to. Then what is equal to 125%? So simply do one thing. This 15 into 100 equal to x into 125 and get value of x. Okay. So pause it and watch it again and again to establish a relations. If oranges are bought 7 for rupees 3, at what rate per 100 must they be sold to gain 33%? So look, as in a previous question, here the rate is given 7 for 3 rupees. So 7 oranges for rupees 3 means 7 by 3 oranges in 1 rupees is equal to the 100% of investment, right? And you want to make 33% profit means what in 1 rupees is equal to 133%. Okay. So suppose X for 1 rupee is equal to 133%. So as in a previous question, 7 by 3 into 100 is equal to X into 133. So this is simple. 7 is a 19. So this X is equal to 100 upon 19,357. Means in a 1 rupee, now you have a rate. 100 upon 57 oranges is 1 rupees. This rate will give you the 33% profits. So your question is what rate per 100? So 100 upon 57 oranges का रेट आपको क्या मिल गया 1 रुपी. तो 100 oranges का रेट क्या हो जाएगा 57 rupees. This is your answer. Okay. So इसको ठीक से समझ लीजिएगा. It is very helpful. Now see next. A sells a television to B for rupees 4860, thereby losing 19%. By B sell it to C at a price which would have given A 17% profit. Find the gain of B. So here A sells television to B at 19% loss at 4860 and B sell it to C at a price which would have given A 17%, means A into 170 by 100. Correct? So find the gain of a B. So gain of a B will be gain of a B is equal to A into 117 by 100 minus 4860. So now the value of A is required here. A sells television to B at a loss of 19%. Means A, the cost of A is A, then 100 minus 19, 81% is equal to 4860. So solve it. It is 6 1 just 6. Okay. So this is 6,000 rupees. So simply put here 6,000 into 117 by 100 minus 4860. This two cancel. So finally 6 7 ja एक तो 0 हो गया 6 7 ja 42 6 1 ja 6 plus 4 10 and 6 1 ja 6 7 minus 4860. So 0 0 0 12 minus 6 6 and then 9 minus 8 1 and 6 minus 4. This is a gain of B. This is answer. Now see next question. Here, by selling a calculator for rupee 880, a man loses 12%. For how much must he sell it to gain 10%? So look here, 880 rupees is a selling price. Okay. And this way, there is a loss of 12%. It means 880 is a actually 100 minus 12% of cost price. This selling price is 18% of the cost price. So it is 18, sorry, 88. This, so the cost price is coming 1000 rupees. So for how much must he sell to gain 10%? So the 10% gain is 10%. Means 1000 का 10% हो गया 100 rupees. Or directly you can write the 110% of 1000 new selling price आ जाएगा. This means 1100 rupees. Okay. So 880 rupee is a selling price when there is a loss of 12%. If 12% loss, it means this selling price is actually 100 minus 12, 88% of the cost price. So this way you can find out the cost price, 1000, and then 10% gain, 10% of 1000 is 100. So 1000 plus 100 is 1100 rupees, or 110% of the cost price is equal to selling price. See, you can do these questions by a single strokes. Like, what is single strokes means? एक बार में ये हो जाए, इस बार बार स्टेप्स लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आपको पता है आपका एग्जाम क्या है. ये छोटे छोटे कैलकुलेशंस. लुक हियर, 888, sorry, 880 is a selling price which give you loss of 12%. So 880 is 88% of the cost price. How much must he sell it to gain 10%? So 880 is actually 88%. So what is equal to 110%? Okay, direct calculation. It is 10 means x is equal to 1100. Means individually some students first find cost price and then no, it is not required. This is a kiddies approach. You can think in this way. 880, 88% of the cost price, and you have to find 10% gain. It means you are finding here the 110% of the cost price. So directly you can do this way. Okay. So do practice for this approach. Now see question number 21. And look here in this question, same approach will help you. By selling a watch for rupee 240, a man gained 25%. How much percent would he gain by selling it for rupee 216? So look here, 240 is the selling price giving you 25% gain. It means 240 is actually 125% of the cost price, right? So 216 rupees is equal to what percent of the cost price? Simple equations, but now you can do it. Axis 4 and this is 4, 6, 10 ja, 6, 9 ja. X is equal to 9 into 125 by 10. So this is 1.25, 9 5 are 45, 9 2 is 18 plus 4 22, and 9 1 is 9 plus 2 11. Okay, and here it is 10. So this is 112.5%. So 216 is 100 12.5%, it is more than 100%. So there is a gain of 12.5%. Okay. Means here no need to first calculate the cost price and then that cost price and selling price difference, and no, in a single stroke calculations you can find out whether it is a case of a loss or a profit. If it is coming less than 100%, then it means there is a loss. It is coming more than 100%, so more than 100 is 12.5, this is your profit. Now see the next question. A trader purchased two washing machines each for rupee 9,000. He sold one at a loss of 10% and the other at a gain of 10%. What is his gain or loss percent? So remember, if the cost price is same and one is giving you a 10% profit and another item with the same cost price is giving loss of 10%. So plus 10% profit, it is loss. So the 10% of the cost and right 10% of the cost profit हो रहा है और 10% of the cost price is equal to loss है, तो overall क्या होगा? No loss, no profit. So you have to understand it. If the cost price is same and in two cases, in one case, the loss is equal loss amount in percentage and the gain amount in percentage means magnitude of the loss percentage and gain percentage is same, then there is no loss, no profit. When the cost price is same. Okay. दोनों की कॉस्ट प्राइस कितनी है? 9,000 9,000. तो 9,000 का 10% कितना हुआ? 900 रुपए. 900 रुपए का प्रॉफिट हो गया. और 9,000 का 10% 900 रुपए हुआ. 900 रुपए का लॉस हो गया. तो ओवरऑल क्या हुआ? 900 माइनस 900 नलीफाई हो गया. सो इट इज नो लॉस नो प्रॉफिट. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. इफ द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज सेम and in one case getting profit and another case getting loss and the magnitude of loss percentage and profit percentage is same, then overall there is no loss no profit.